This doll was a Christmas gift for Maureen 71 years ago as she recovered from polio.
Suzie helped me to walk step by step. She looked after me, and I need to look after her now. She's got beautiful memories for me with my family and recovery and safety, and she means an awful lot to me. We're excited, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hello, welcome back.
Hello, it's lovely to see you again.
Likewise.
Hello.
How you both feeling?
In
Yeah.
one word, excited. Suzie came in quite a mess. We just want to see what you have been able to do, if anything. I'm sure she must be better than the state we left her in.
Yes, she must be better.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes, we are. Are you ready?
Oh, yes, very
Right.
much.
Come on
Yes.
then. Shall we? Yes.
Oh. Oh, wow. Happy, happy memories. Beautiful, thank you.
She's gorgeous.
Do you want to see her walking?
Can she walk? Can she?
We want to try.
Can she?
That's all thanks to Steve.
Thank you, Steve. I didn't know she could do that again. So it was one step at a time. Thank you. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. She'll be kept safe. And she'll go down now into the rest of the family. So she's got some more adventures in her yet.
Definitely.
Yes. It took me straight back to that Christmas, 1950, when I first saw her. And the emotion and the joy and the wonder of seeing her all came back to me. To see her back the way she is, it's absolutely marvellous.
Gorgeous.
They worked a miracle.